Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can simply use Hoop application, and it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, once you go ahead and open your Hoop and go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account, you're going to be on this page. Basically, after you enter all your details and stuff like that, where as you can see on the bottom right of your screen, there is going to be a Snapchat icon, which if you tap on will spend 10 diamonds, and then ask the person you pressed the Snapchat icon on for their snap basically. And then there is a cross icon on the left side, as you can see, which is basically gonna skip. And then there's this star icon, which is going to basically ultra like her or him. And on the bottom right, there is also a flash request, which will basically send them this right over here request, which says I would like to get your snap, but it is explained up over here. Over 100 people will be sent this. And on the top left, there is going to be your profile icon, where you can tap on get more diamonds and earn diamonds. I made a video on how to earn diamonds. You can also have photo decorations right over here, like on the side of your photo. And then you can also simply go ahead and tap on the top right gear icon, and then